In this quick tutorial, I will show you best free text-to-video AI app that allows you to create beautiful, higher resolution text-to-free video like this. With just your text to prompt, you are going to have higher resolution video quality. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about AI tools. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use free text to video app AI in Android. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. So I'm going to click on my Play Store. Then I'll get it to Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to make use of search app and type in LivNSA. So you are going to have this app right here. So this is the right app you need to download and install on your Android phone. You can simply scroll here and see the number of people that have downloaded successful and use this app, over 100,000 people. Okay, after a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. So after a successful download and install the app, you are going to have the interface like this. So a quick review about this particular app. So from the top right here, you have enter your prompt column right here. So this is where you need to type in your prompt. The capacity of text you can enter here should not be more than 300 capacity. Then you can use need inspiration button right here for you to generate prompt. Okay. Then next to pick a style right here. This is a situation whereby after you enter a prompt, then you need to select a style that works with your prompt. It's as simple as that. Then you can simply scroll down and discover more idea right here, such as some of the current existing templates. You can use them and modify to create your own design. Let's, for instance, we want to work with one of the templates right here. So we want to work with this template right here. What you need to do is to simply click on try this. Then you have this. Okay, now you have the prompt right here, which is a young lineage fighting with a dragon. Now this is not the end. You can simply click on the template, then this will give you the style they use to create this template. So the style they use is this name. So I will just close it and I will make sure I look for the style right here. So we can simply create something similar. Okay, so the style they use here is the first one right here. So I will just choose the style, then I'll click on create right here. It's very simple. So let's see. Then right here in progress. So in less than 8 minutes, it's going to generate a video for us. So finally, our video is ready. So we can simply tap on here to watch the video. So for us to download this video, what we need to do is to click on save. Then we click on allow, successfully saved. So we can simply close this tab. So it takes us back to the home page. Let's simply cancel this prompt. So I'm going to click on here to cancel the prompt. And let's try and see need inspiration right here. So just click on that. Then you will be given a prompt. A secret garden that blooms only at night with neon color flower. So we can simply look for style right here. So I will choose realistic. I'll choose realistic style, then I will simply click on create. So the video is ready, so we can simply click on here to play the video. So for us to download the video, we just need to click on here. Then we click on allow. So we can click on this close bar right here. So we can also modify this prompt. So a secret garden that blooms only at night with neon flower, with neon color flower. So we can try to add animal into the garden. A secret garden with, right here, with tiger walking slowly. In the garden. So let's check it out. Then I will make it realistic. Then I will click on create. Then our video is here, so we can simply click on here to watch the video. Beautiful. So for us to download, we can simply click on here. Then we'll click on allow. Successfully saved. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about AI tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.